Well, good morning, everyone, team. Am I audible to everyone? Can anyone please confirm in the chat? Yes, thank you. Thanks for confirming. So, first of all, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings to everyone, team. So, before starting the session for today, let me explain you something. So in the demo today, we have mix of population attending team, like we have freshers who joining the training today, and we have people with other domain experience joining the demo today, and also participants with prior ERP backgrounds and planning to switch their career into Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud also joined today. So we have mix of participants joined for the today's session team. So I request everyone to please be on the mute. So I'm muting everyone team. If you have any questions in the due course of time, like during the session or between the session, I request everyone to please park your questions, note it down, or you can drop your questions in the chat board. I will be taking everyone's questions at the end of the session team so that it won't interrupt the flow in between. Whatever the things that we planned out for the today's demo, we can able to complete it on time. Okay. So please be in the call so that I will be discussing with every one-on-one after the session team. So please park your questions. We will have the discussion at the end of the session. So I'm keeping everyone in the mute so that I can start the demo class for today. Okay. Thanks for understanding, team. So first of all, a warm welcome to everyone for Triotech Software Trainings once again, team. My name is Kumar and I am the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So in today's demo, we are going to see what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications is about. Because as I told you already, some of you might be aware of this technology. What is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is about, and what sort of jobs or what sort of salaries we have in this technology, and what are the prerequisites to learn this particular course, and do we require any coding skills in order to learn this course. Some of you already know, but keeping freshers or other experienced people, non-IT experienced people, in this today's demo session, I'm going to give you the information about all these aspects, like what is this technology, who will be using this technology in the market, what are the different types of job roles we have, or once we learn this technology, where we will be landing upon, and what sort of salaries that companies offering outside. That all components I'm going to cover as part of today's demo. So the main agenda for today's demo is to how to land upon a high paying jobs even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. So many of the participants used to ask me prior to the session attending, when they interacted with me, Kumar, like we came from non-IT background, or we are hesitate about coding. We don't know coding skills, or we don't have any prerequisites of any basic system languages. Are we eligible to learn this course? So we are going to see in this today's demo all these things, team. Okay. Before starting the demo for today, let me introduce about myself, because before you learning the technology, you should also know about your trainer. What is my experience in this technology and what sort of work or the exposure that I have within this Oracle HCM Cloud applications team. So to start with introducing about myself, as I already told you, my name is Kumar and I'm having total 14 years of industry experience team. And out of that, from the last 12 plus years, I've been part of this IT consulting. And I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist. Like I got certified with all the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. And from the last 8 years, close to 9 years as we enter 2024 now, close to 9 years, I've been part of Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So in total, I worked for more than 10 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering the clients from different countries across the globe. Like I worked for the clients from USA, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So I can say that I have a multi-country exposure with respective to this Oracle HCM cloud applications implementations team. And I'm a corporate trainer as well. And I delivered about 25 plus corporate trainings to several companies team, like in order to uplift their employees knowledge wise. Companies will be conducting the training programs. So I'm a corporate trainer where I delivered about 25 plus corporate trainings for a couple of companies team. Like I delivered the trainings in Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Apps Associate. Okay. Then for Capgemini, for a couple of companies, I was the trainer who delivered the corporate trainings for them. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, E&Y employee. And currently also, I am working for an MNC company for one of the global rollout implementation projects team. Okay. And I'm also a Oracle University trainer as well. So officially, I do conduct the trainings in Oracle University as well on this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Okay. So this is about a brief introduction about myself, what I am and what is my experience in this particular technology team. So to moving on, let us see what is the agenda for today's demo, what we are going to see in today's demo team. First of all, I will be talking about team introduction to ERP applications. People with experienced background, I mean into IT and having other ERP experiences priorly, you know what is this concept of ERP. But freshers and the non-IT or the other domain people, to get the understanding about ERP, first we will talk about introduction to ERP. Why? Because team, our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application comes under ERP family team. So we have to talk about that ERP here. What is ERP? What are the different products like Oracle available in the market? That we will see here team. And then I will talk about Oracle Fusion applications evaluation overview and what is Fusion application. Okay, what is this Oracle Fusion applications? Why these applications will be available in the market? Who will be using these applications for what purpose? That all we will see team. And prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the existing ERP products that are offered by Oracle? That all I will be covering here team. And in which year Oracle introduced this product in the market? That all evaluation path intro about the application we will talk about here. We'll talk here. And then we will talk about team types of companies involved. See, you take any software application in the market. It might be Oracle Fusion applications, SAP, Workday, or DevOps, Azure, or Amazon Web Services. Anything you take team. Any software application in the market you take, typically 3 companies will be involved in the usability of that technology or the product. So I will be introducing to you here who is the vendor, who is the client, who is the consulting partner. This is a very basic understanding everyone should know before learning this technology team. So that I will explain you here. What are the companies involved in using this product? And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Like as it is a software application team, just one request. Ramcharan, can you please stop annotating here because the screen getting drawn with some circle. I request please don't touch any of the options in the Zoom meeting team. Don't touch the annotate option that you are seeing here, right? Thank you. So we'll talk about here Oracle Fusion environment releases team, right? Like as it is a software application team, when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version that these Fusion applications came in the market? And since then, how that upgradation is happening? Like our Fusion applications follow quarterly upgradation policy team. So that upgradation policy, environment releases, that all I will talk here team. And then I will discuss with you what are the modules we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud and what we are going to cover as part of this training program and what really required to learn in order to start your career in this technology. That all I will explain you here team. And here only I will also explain you some of the common myths that people will be having with respect to this technology, mainly the coding requirements. Kumar, does we require any coding skills to learn this course or any system languages like SQL, PLSQL, any other languages that we should be aware of? That all I will be explaining you in this modules in Oracle HCM Cloud team. Then I will also talk about career opportunities in this technology. The main concern or the main clarification every participant required, okay, will be this one. What will be the career opportunities in this technology? If we learn today, how is the market? For freshers, what sort of packages companies are offering? First of all, what type of companies recruit the candidates on this technology? And if we are an experienced professionals, like some people will try to showcase their experience and they want to drop their resume. In that case, what is the experience for 3 to 4 years if we keep these sort of all questions team I'm going to explain here in career opportunities. So I request everyone, please be on the session till the end so that you will able to understand what is this technology and how best this technology for you to start the career in IT. That all your questions will get addressed. Okay, please be on the call till the end team. And then we will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means like in the web where we can go, like in the internet where we can go and where we can access the Oracle standard documentation for this technology for studying purpose or for reference purpose. If you want to access the Oracle standard documentation that is providing by Oracle company, where we have to navigate, where we have to download, that all we will see here in knowledge repository team. Then Oracle certification process, because some of you might be having a concern, Kumar, if we learn this technology, do we have to do the certification? Is it mandatory? If yes, what is the cost for that? What is the process? What is the examination pattern for writing the certifications? That all I will talk here in certification process team. And finally, we will conclude the demo for today with why to choose Triotech software trainings. What is the roadmap that we are going to give you to learn this technology and landing upon a high paying job in the next 3 to 4 months of period. So that all we will be covering as part of today's demo team. So as it is a demo today, slightly the time will be extended team, but from tomorrow the sessions will be strictly followed every day 1 hour it will be. But for today, please be on the call. We might slightly extend it with couple of minutes extra team. So to moving on team with today's agenda, the very first topic, introduction to ERP. Okay. But prior to that team, I will cover one thing here. Like what is that? For whom this course is for? Who can learn this technology team? So as I told you, no coding is required to learn this technology. It's a completely zero coding application, and people from any background can learn this course. If you go through the points on the slide here, team, for whom this course is for, if you are in your final year of degree and you want to, degree in the sense, it might be any degree, BTech or BCom, BSc, there is no educational constraints to learn this technology, team. People from any graduation can learn this course. And if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, you are eligible to learn this course. And if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current unstable job, the non-IT experience, if you have, team, you are coming from a non-IT background and you want to make your career in IT with a lavish package, then you are eligible to learn this course. And if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in the next 4 to 5 years, then this technology will be the right option for you, team. So finally, people from any degree, any background with any gaps or any non-IT experience, anyone can able to learn this course, team. So whatever the above points, any one of these or all of these that you are part of, then this is the right one for you, team. So there is no constraints to learn this course. There is no prerequisites to learn this course. You might come from any graduation background with non-IT experience or with a gap or as a fresher or having other IT experiences in other technologies and planning to move to Oracle Fusion, then you are 100% eligible to learn this technology and you can start your career happily in this team. Okay, so let me move on to the very first concept for today's demo, team. Introduction to ERP. What is meant by ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So basically, team, it is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, commerce, reporting, human resource, manufacturing, etc. So basically, team, ERP is a software, okay, in every organization. In order to conduct their businesses, companies will be using, team. For example, you take any well-known companies, let's say Indian companies only, you take Reliance, Tata, L&T, okay, Flipkart, any companies you take, team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved, team. Like in every company, there will be a HR department or the HR business area who is responsible to handle all the HR related activities, team. Then in every company, financial department or the financial business area will be there, who is responsible for payables, receivables, okay, anything related to the money or the amount. The company's related accounting activities will be taken care by finance department. Then if it is a manufacturing company, team, then you have supply chain, procurement, operations, business areas, team. So what is this? In every company, there are different business processes or departments involved, and everyone will perform their activities, team. But in order to conduct all these activities, every company requires a modular software or a tech-based applications, team. For example, come to human resource department in any company. Why? Because our application is what, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management Cloud. So in any organization, team, if you come to human resource department, HR department, what they will do in the company, basically HR department people are responsible of maintaining the employees, like recruitment, hiring, then employee management, their transfers, promotions, demotions, and their leave management, every month leaves, and every month salary processings, and every year performance appraisals, HR people in any organization are responsible for taking care of all HR related activities team. For example, you take any organization team. If a company have 5,000 employees, 10,000 employees, they can't do all these activities manually. See, if it is a small company with 20 people, 30 people, or 50 people, that's okay. Manually, they can able to perform all the activities, the hirings, recruitings, or in this month, how many employees applied leave, what salaries we paid, everything you can manually track or you can manually handle team. But if a company have 500 employees, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 employees they can't maintain all their activities manually, the HR activities manually team. So they require a modular tech-based software applications in order to handle all that business activities team. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is a complete HR suite, okay, where every organization who buying this product will be using this in their in-house HR operations team. In order to conduct their HR operations in the companies, they will be buying this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So one such product that is offered by Oracle Corporation is this Oracle HCM Cloud team. ERP is a category or a family name. Under ERP category team, we have different ERP applications offered by several companies. Like you take a mobile team. From Apple, we have iPhone. From Samsung, we have Samsung mobiles. Then we have Vivo, Oppo. From different companies, we have different products available in the market. But ultimately, all are mobiles only. Similarly, in the market also, under this ERP category, if you see, there are different products offered by different companies team. Oracle's product is Oracle Fusion applications. SAP we have, which is owned by SAP Corporation. Then Salesforce, we have one product. Then Blackboard, Pegasus, Northgate, Workday. Just for your information, I kept this slide here, team. Like we have different ERP products available in the market like Oracle team. But Oracle is much advanced and much competitively ahead compared to all the other ERP applications team. That is why the demand for this technology is very high, and the recruitment wise, the resources requirement is also very high in the market. Okay, so this is about the concept of ERP. Prior to this ERP technologies team, companies used to take care of all the activities manually. In physical books they used to write, or in Excels they used to maintain the data. But with the intervention of this IT or the technology team, many software applications coming in the market or came in the market team. So ERP is a category or a family team. Under that, many products are available. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion applications. And in that also, our product is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So for what purpose this technology will be used team in any company? In order to maintain or in order to conduct their HR related business operations in any organization, this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be used by the company's team. Okay, that is about introduction to ERP. Next team, let me move on to what is this Oracle Fusion application is about. So if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Oracle Fusion applications? I can best describe the Oracle Fusion applications into these three criteria. See, Oracle Fusion applications can be best described as the built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. Right, team? What is this built on open standard based platform? If any one of you from prior technical background or other ERP technologies background attending the demo today, for your reference purpose, I kept this team. So just for the information purpose, like the backend schema of Oracle Fusion applications team were built on these individual technologies team: Oracle service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, Web Center content, portal, identity management. These all are the different individual technologies available in the market team. So Oracle Fusion applications were built on all these technologies. The backend schema of the Fusion applications were operated by all these technologies team. Just for information purpose, I kept this one. And then this is important to know. Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. What are these team? Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. Come to the next slide, you will understand that. Fusion evaluation path. See team, prior to 2006, all these are individual products available in the market team. You take Oracle's own ERP product was Oracle EBS team, and PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is one ERP application which is owned by JD Edwards. Then Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available in the market: EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards World, Siebel, etc. But the point is, team, during that time, none of the applications were very stable in all the business areas, team. Like if you take Oracle EBS, e-business suite, which is Oracle's own ERP product during that time. Oracle EBS is very matured, very stable in in financials business area. Hyperion, if you take, it is very good at reporting area. Then Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management. Then JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. Then PeopleSoft is very good at our HRMS area, HCM area. But none of the applications during that time was very stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did, in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products team. Anyhow, their own product EBS is there with them. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, all the existing top ERP products during that time in the market. Oracle acquired all of them with $18 billion acquisition team in the year 2006. And what Oracle did, Oracle taken the best of the best ERP technologies in the market, and it took HRMS knowledge from PeopleSoft. It took procurement and financials knowledge from JD Edwards, CRM knowledge from Siebel CRM, reporting knowledge from Hyperion. And anyhow, EBS is their own product team, the financial knowledge taken from e-business suite. And Oracle developed a new robust applications team. By taking the best knowledges from the market in the year 2006, Oracle developed this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. In the year 2011, Oracle introduced this Oracle Fusion applications into the open world. Now we can say proudly that Oracle Fusion applications are a very matured, stable product in all the business areas team. You take financials, you take our product HCM, you take supply chain, procurement, PPM, CRM, in all the business areas team, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable and very matured enough now. That is the reason rapid implementations going on in the market. Like many companies buying this product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house business operations team, right? So this is the background of Oracle Fusion applications. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies, taken the best knowledge from them, and in 2011, Oracle came up with this new age application, that is Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, that too on a cloud-based platform team. Okay, not the traditional way of deliveries. The Fusion applications are purely on a cloud-based technology team, right? Then Oracle Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. Like as I told you, team, the traditional way of applications will be on-premises team. Means when a company buy this product from Oracle, along with the application, they used to buy the server from the Oracle to maintain the application. Then the maintenance, the security, then the installation of the application into the server. These all things the companies used to take care team. On premises means traditional way. Within the office premises, they have to install the server and they have to maintain the application team. So here companies used to recruit the DBA administrator, system engineers, security administrators, everything companies used to manage team. But now the entire world is changing, right? So Oracle Fusion applications also now available in or cloud-based application, cloud-based deployment option team. So any company who buying this product from Oracle team, they no need to buy any server, they no need to maintain any application in their premises team. Just the application will be delivered in the form of cloud. What do you mean by cloud team? Any service that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud-based technology. Whenever a company or anyone who want to use this Oracle HCM cloud applications in their organization team, when they buy the product from Oracle, how the application will deliver, like this team, just in the form of URL. No need to install the application anywhere in your laptop or in your computer. No server, nothing team. Just the application will be delivered in the form of URL. This is my application team. I can search directly in my Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Just a good laptop with a good internet connection if you have, you can able to access the Fusion application team. So the application will be delivered in the form of cloud model, like a URL. See, just I pass it the URL and I'm searching for this. Now see team, I can able to enter into the applications team. Basically, it will ask for sign in my Google Chrome. Passwords are auto saved. That is why automatically it signed in. But you will land up on this page team. Basically, once you pass your URL, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So user ID and password you will be required to given here. Once you give the details and if you click on sign in, you can able to enter into the applications. So this is the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications user interface team. This is how the application looks. Anywhere did I install the application in my laptop? No. Am I running the software in this laptop? No. Just I went to my Google Chrome, I passed the URL, then it prompted me for sign in user ID and password, like our Gmail, how we are using, or Facebook, how we are using. Anywhere we are installing anything? No, right? If I have to access my Gmail, I can go to my browser, then I can go just type it as Gmail, then I can able to sign in. Similarly, the Fusion applications also team. Oracle Fusion applications are also on a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based technology means this one. Everything related to the application maintenance, application data, server, everything will be hosted over the internet team. So whenever any company buying this product from Oracle in order to use in their HR operations team, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL and user ID and password. So we can able to access the application accordingly, team. So that is why I kept here Fusion applications can be deployed through couple of options. So you don't need to understand public, private, at all. That is a PaaS components team. So just understand that the Fusion applications are on a cloud-based technology team. Now, the most important thing, particularly for freshers or particularly for non-IT domain people team, this concept is very important. What is this? Types of companies. Firstly, Kumar, who will use this product? For what purpose? That question we understood as of now, team. In any organization, in order to conduct their HR related business operations, they require a software application. This is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud. Now, team, types of companies involved. In any software application in the market you take, typically three types of companies involved, team. One is service provider, and the other one is client, and the other one is consulting companies, team. See, basically, service provider, nothing but who is selling this product. Example, Oracle India Private Limited. So basically, Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? They are owned by Oracle Corporation, correct? So service provider, or even you can call it as a vendor company, nothing but company who is selling the product. Example, Oracle Corporation selling the product in the market because that is owned by them. So that is the service provider company team. Then client, going forward, I will be using the word most frequently, client, customer team. Client company or the customer company means company who purchasing that Oracle product and using in their in-house day-to-day operations team. For example, team, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Take this as an example, team. Reliance Industries is there. That is a very well-known Indian company to every one of us. So Reliance Industries want to buy this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in order to use in their HR business operations team. So Reliance Industries is the client or the customer company team. And service provider is whom? Oracle. He is the vendor who's selling the product. So Reliance will approach to Oracle and Reliance will buy the product from Oracle team. So Reliance is the customer to that product or client. Okay. Service provider is Oracle. Okay. Now Oracle sold the product to Reliance Industries team. Now Reliance Industries is not an IT company. It's not an IT company. They're into different businesses. They're into automobiles. They're into manufacturing. They're into FMCG, like that. So Reliance Industries, when they buy the product from Oracle team, they require someone to configure the application according to their requirement team. Why? Because when any client or a customer company buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered in the raw form. Means a blank application will be delivered team. No data will be available in this. Just a raw application will be sold by Oracle. Okay. Now Reliance bought the application from Oracle team, but Reliance Industries wants someone who can implement the application, who can configure the application according to their business requirement team, because they are going to use this application in their day-to-day life going forward. They require someone. Then what these companies will do, these companies will reach out to consulting companies in the market. What are consulting companies, team? Companies who is implementing the product, so-called software companies, IT companies in the market team, like Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini. These IT companies in the market team, we will call as consulting companies. Companies who will implement the product according to the client requirement. So client or the customer company buying the product from the service provider, and they will give the project to the IT companies in the market team. So these companies will take up the project and they will implement according to their requirement team. And where we will land upon once you learn this technology, you will be working majorly in these companies team, in the consulting companies, in so-called IT or the software companies in the market. Okay, so-called IT or marketing. One second, team. Just give me a second. Okay. So-called IT or software companies in the marketing. So once you learn this technology, you will be landing upon these consulting companies. So you will be starting your career in these IT companies team. So when the project comes to our company, we will be deployed in that client project and we will be working on the configuration of the system according to their requirement team. So this is what happens in any IT software products you take. It not only Oracle Fusion HCM application, any technology in the market you take team, these are the companies involved in the usability of the product. There will be service provider who is selling the product. There will be client or the customer who buying the product. And there will be consulting companies who will be configuring the application according to the client requirement team. So we will be working in these consulting companies team as a software engineers or as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultants team. So when our company receives the projects, we will be deployed into that projects team. We will be working for the clients or the customer requirements, right? Why Kumar then? In the service provider, you also kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture, Tech Mahindra. These are consulting companies, no? Yes, team. In the market, Oracle alone cannot sell the product, cannot promote or market their product team. So what the Oracle will do? Oracle will associate with these consulting companies to sell their product on behalf of them. For example, team, if you want to buy a mobile, let's say an iPhone you want to purchase, that iPhone you can go to directly to Apple Store and you can buy who is the manufacturer. At the same time, even you can able to buy that from Bajaj Electronics or Big C, Lot Mobiles, right? The product is selling directly by the company itself, and at the same time there are other vendors who is also selling the product. Similarly, in the market team, whenever these companies who want to use Oracle Fusion applications, they can directly purchase the product from Oracle, or Oracle will also give the licenses to sell their product for so-called IT companies also team. Even these companies also will sell and will implement the product to the clients. For that matter, Oracle will give some gold partner, silver partner, platinum partnership to the to the consulting companies team. So that way in the market, the application will be sold. So once we learn this technology, we will be working in these consulting companies team majorly. Okay. That is about types of companies involved in the Fusion Cloud applications. Now, team, I want to talk about Fusion Environment Releases team. Like in which year Oracle introduced this product and what is the version that Oracle came up, and now we are in 2024. What is the current latest version of the Fusion application? And we will also be talking about the upgradation policy team, because any software applications you take team on a specific interval of time, they will be upgrading every time. What is the upgradation policy in Fusion application? Let us talk about that. In the year 2006, I mean, in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market, I told you. What is the version they came up, Release 1, R1 they came up with team. Since then, the application upgraded, evolved, and now, as of today, the latest version of the Oracle Fusion applications is R13. If anyone asks you in which version that you worked on, tell that you worked on release 13, R13. The version of the Oracle Fusion applications is team. Now, some of you might get a question. Kumar, it is introduced in 2011. We are in 2024. Is it that old product? 12 years or 13 years old product? Exactly. In 2011, Oracle introduced this applications team. But the actual market started from 2015 and early 2016 onwards. In 2015 and early 2016 onwards only, Oracle Fusion applications gained the market team. So from last 5 to 6 years, the actual market for Oracle Fusion applications we are seeing. Okay. So in 2011, when they introduced the team, they came up with R1. From R1 to R10, okay, from R1 to R10 and R9 close to, Oracle applications delivered both on-premises and cloud deployment options team. During these versions, whoever the clients purchased the application team, okay, Fusion applications were sold on both options team. They can purchase either on an on-premise model or cloud model. On-premise means traditional way. Along with the application, client have to buy the server, install that in their office premises, and even the application also to be installed in your laptops or PCs, and you have to run the application to use it team. But from R11, completely Fusion applications are sold only on a cloud-based technology team. So now Oracle Fusion applications are available only on the cloud-based model. During these releases, whoever the customers bought the product, Oracle used to sold Fusion application in both deployment options team. Either they can opt cloud type of deployment or on-premises. But after that, purely Oracle offering it in cloud. They stopped on-premise team. They are selling the product only on a cloud-based technology. As I told you, if any company want to buy the product from Oracle, application will be maintained over the cloud. Just they can buy and enjoy the product. They can use the product. No need of taking care of anything. On behalf of them, Oracle will take care of everything. The security, the patching, upgradation, maintenance, servers, everything Oracle will take care of. Clients can buy the application and they can start using that in the business team. Okay. So this is about team, the release versions. To R13, actually we reached out R13 in 2017, late 2017 and early 2018 only, we reached to the version of R13. What Oracle did, Oracle make this R13 as a static version. They are not changing it team. Now we are in 24. Actually by 2018 only, we reached it to the R13 version. But Oracle made this version as a static. Anyone ask you, Oracle Fusion applications version is what? R13. Tell them. From 2018 onwards, when it came to R13 team, Oracle made this version as a static version for Fusion application team. They are not changing anything and they won't change also. R13 is a static thing. Within that, they are following certain sequential order team for upgradation. Why? Because Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. This is very important to understand by everyone. Quarterly upgradation policy Oracle following for their application team. What is that, Kumar? quarterly upgradation policy means, let me pick up team. Current version of this application is what? And then I will try to hard decode that one. Okay. I logged in team. In tomorrow's session, I will tell you the introduction about this URL. What are the different names that we can call this URL as? What are these 4 characters in this? Then what are these demos.com? I will explain the introduction to the application in tomorrow's session team, and the home screen functionalities. What are all these icons? What are all these functionalities? But today, just let me show you what is the version of the application team. So if you want to check out, once you log in into the system team, you can go to settings and action and scroll down. Here you have team about this application. If you scroll down, you have 1 second. Okay. If you click on settings and action, you have here about this application. If you click on this, you can able to see team. What is the latest version of this applications? What is this team? Something like Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications 24A 11.13.24.01. Let me copy it here. So the current latest version of our Fusion applications is this one team. You can ask me, Kumar, you told R13, no? Yes. See, everywhere, Oracle Application Development Framework, REL13. Then middleware extension, REL13. Okay. Then database compatibility, REL13. So the latest version of the Fusion applications is team release 13.24A. What is that team? Release 13.24A is the latest version. So R13, they made it as static, but these sequencing will be changed team. So come to the quarterly upgradation policy, you will understand. Quarterly upgradation means team, in a year we have 4 quarters team. Okay, every 3 months is a quarter. So for every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application team. Even in our mobiles also, Android you take, iOS you take, okay, on a frequent basis or on a stipulated basis, the softwares will upgrade from Android 7.1 to 7.5 or iOS 9.1 to 10.2. Softwares will upgrade, right? Every time when the software is upgrading, what happens, team? Some new enhancements will come, some new features will come, some existing old features will be deprecated. Correct, team? Even in our day-to-day life, in our basic mobiles which we are using, we can experience this. Every time when the software is upgrading in your mobile, some new features, new functionalities, right? And some existing old features will be deprecated, removed. These all things will happen. Even team in the Fusion applications also, Oracle investing a lot in research and development team to give the best of the best service to their clients who are using the product, to give the most affordable and most seamless, effective applicational services team. Oracle giving quarterly upgrades to their application. Every 3 months, they will upgrade their application team. During this time, new functionalities, new features according to the latest business requirements by the clients, Oracle will introduce, and any bugs or any issues that happened in the system, that all fixes to that will be coming. That all will be happened in every quarterly upgrade team. So what Oracle did, Oracle categorized 4 quarters into alphabets like A, B, C, and D. Oracle divided 4 quarters into A, B, C, D team. A means Jan to March. This is the first quarter in the year. B means April to June. Then July to September. Then October to December. So Oracle divided 4 quarters into A, B, C, D. And they are giving the versioning like this team. 24A is the latest version. 24 means what, team? The year which we are in, 2024. So the current version is team 24 What is this? A. A means what? We are in the first quarterly upgrade of this current year team. Okay. We are in which month? We are in the month of March. So Jan to March is the first quarter team. So the current upgrade is of release 13 24A. Means 2024 in the first quarterly upgrade. Next month, April, the application will upgrade team. Then the version will change from 24A to 24B. Then in the July month, 24C. Then in October month, 24D. Next year team, when we enter next year, then the application sequencing will follow like this. 2025A, then 25B, then 25C, then 25D. Last year team, we traveled from 23A, 23B, 23C, and 23D. Quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will follow. Every 3 months, when they upgrade the application, the versioning will upgrade accordingly team. 24 stands for the current financial year. Then A means we are in the first quarterly upgrade of this year team. So next upgrade, you can make a note of it. Check it in the next month. Probably in the training period only, we will observe the upgradation team. Then it will upgrade to 24B. 24B. Okay. 24B. Right, team? Team, a small request. So our admin team reaching out to you over the chat to fill the details, team. So please fill the details in the Google form so that post demo, we can take up the enrollments from you if you have the details submitted, team. So I request everyone, please fill the Google form that what you are getting in your chat box. If you already shared the details, please ignore. If not, please fill that form, team. Okay. So every quarter when the upgradation happening, team, the upgrade sequencing will be coming up like this. What will happen every quarterly upgrade? How as an implementation consultant, we should be aware of, okay, while we whatever they say, working on this technology, that all we will tell later, team, in the implementation time or when we start the training program. I'm going to tell you all that aspects, team, like every time when the upgrade happen, what sort of new functionality is coming, where we can refer in the system in order to uplift ourselves. That all you will be coming later, team, because every time whenever the upgradation is happening, team, you have to be performing certain activities in the real-time projects when you are working. Certain regression testings, impact analysis preparations, then demonstrating to the client, that all activities will be there. But these things you will be explained in our workshop sessions. Along with the training, as part of the placement activities, when we take up the workshop sessions on implementation projects, support projects, during that time, I will explain all these things, team. But as of now, in the very preliminary understanding, try to know what are the versions that we have in this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, and every quarter, how the application sequencing is changing, team. Okay. Now, what is this? Okay, R1324A, we understood. What is this 11.13.24.01, Kumar? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the applications in the market. 2011. 13 stands for release 13, R13. Okay. Then 24 stands for the year which we are, 2024. 01 stands for we are in first quarterly upgrade, team, 24A currently. In the first quarter, the first month is what, team? January. January means what? First month, 01. That is what, team. Next quarterly upgrade. Next month when you check, team, take this screenshot or make a note of it. The version will upgrade like this. R13, 24B, okay, 11.13.24.01, 24 point. In the second quarter, what is the first month? April. April means what? Fourth month. Then 24.04. So the next quarterly upgrade, that what we are going to experience in the next month, the versioning will be this, like this team. R13, 24B, 11.13.24.04. Okay, 04. That last 0 is common team. For every release that will be showing commonly, that you can experience here. So this is about team Oracle Fusion environment releases. Okay, it will follow quarterly upgrades policy team. So every quarter when the upgrades coming, as I told you, some new enhancements or the features will come. And the documentation part, Oracle priorly only will deliver team. See, in this upgrade, these new functionalities we are bringing in. So as a consultants team, when you're learning the technology, you should also grow along with the application. You should also upskill yourself along with the application team. So that where to refer in tomorrow's session in the Oracle repository when I'm explaining the Oracle standard documents where to access. I will help you out to navigate in the browser team or in the web. And tomorrow I will tell you. Now moving on to what are the modules we have in this technology. I will list out team all components that we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. And some of you have a question, Kumar, what comes under functional side and what comes under technical side? Because team, whenever you're learning this technology, this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud divided into two aspects, functional and technical. Okay, what components will come under functional? What component comes under technical? And what sort of jobs or the roles that are available in the market? That we will see here, team. So to start with, in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, okay, let me list out team. First, all the concepts that we have in the system team. What are they? What are they? We have the modules like team. We have the modules like team, global HR, or you can call it as core HR. This is one module. Then we have absence management. This is one module. Then we have payroll management. This is one module we have, team. And then we have talent management. In talent management team, we have again sub-modules, like we have profiles, then we have goals, then we have PMS, performance management, then we have succession management, like we have sub-components team. So I'm listing out what are all the modules we have in this technology team. Core HR, absence management, payroll management, talent management, and then we have compensation management and compensation and benefits team. See, basically these two are two different modules, but when we speaking or when we spelling that, we will usually call them together, compensation and benefits, but these two are two different modules. Then we have OTL, Oracle time and labor, right? And we have team some advanced modules like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud, then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, and we have something like a help desk and safety, then HCM communicate. We have other things, but usually not into that limelight team. So these are the modules that which we can prioritizely understand as part of HCM cloud. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, benefits, OTL, OLC, ORC, help desk, right? A part of these modules team, we have some more concepts. What are they? We have something like team security administration, Okay. Then we have something like team workflows and approval management, and we have customizations team, that is through sandbox. That is one concept we have. And then we have something like team inbound integrations. Like in this inbound integrations, we have a couple of tools like HDL, okay, HCM data loader, HCM data loader, and then team spreadsheet data loader, like HDL or SDL in short, we will call team spreadsheet data loader. And then we have outbound integrations team, outbound integrations team. So here we will have three reporting tools like BI reports, OTBI reports, then HCM extracts. These are the three outbound integration tools we have. And one common concept we have called fast formula. Okay. So in and out, if you ask me, team, in the entire Fusion HCM cloud applications, these are the total concepts we have, team. Nothing else I left out here. So these all are the modules in the system, and these are also some of the concepts we have in the system, team. Now, what comes under functional and what comes under technical side, team? All these functional modules will come under functional side of the application, team. All these modules will come under functional side of the application, team. And these concepts will come under technical side of the application, team. Okay. If you ask me, security administration, workflows and approvals, customization, I will tell that these are also part of functional only. But usually, as part of market, if you ask me, team, the training institutes like us, when they provide the training programs, these components we cover as part of technical. But as Oracle offering, team, if you ask me, as per the Oracle norms, these also comes under functional only. But as a usability of the product, when the dynamics got changed, these things segregated in the technical area, team. So these are functional components and these are technical components. What we will have, team, to have a quick walkthrough on this, we have different modules, team. In core HR module, we are going to configure all our clients' organizations and work structures. Basically, team, employee management will happen in core HR module, like starting from hiring of an employee and maintenance of the employee, like their transfers, promote, demotions, terminations, resignations. Entire employee management will be taken in core HR module, team. In absence module, like as we all know, in every company, companies will provide different types of leaves to their employees, team, right? So the entire leave management module, this is what type of leaves, how many days to be provided to the employees, that all leaves related things we have to configure in this module. Then payroll management, team. As we all know, every company will pay salaries to their employees. In payroll management, that salary processing things we are going to configure. Then in organizations, every year performance appraisals will happen, correct? Then that talent management module, we are going to configure that in that module, team. Then a part of payroll, any other additional compensations that you want to pay to the employees, it might be bonus, overtime, or it might be stocks or shares you want to give to the employees, that all things will happen in compensation module. Then benefits we have, team, like particularly in countries like US, if you take, people will be enrolled for different insurance plans, team. Okay, all that kind of insurance plans and insurance processings, that all will happen in benefits module. Then OTL, like in organizations, time recording is very important. Like when employee came into the office, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, timesheet filling for the week. That all employee attendance management team that will be implemented in OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then OLC we have, Oracle Learning Cloud. Here team, if you people have an experience in joining any company, when you join a company, usually company will ask you to, in the probation period or in the initial 1 week of onboarding time, go through the mandatory trainings and complete the exams like that team. So OLC is a internal learning platform where companies can use to design the courses, to conduct the classes to their employees and conduct the exams to the employees there. Then OLC is one of the module team, Learning Cloud. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, like all recruiting activities team, like raising the job requisitions, then downloading the profiles from job portals, conducting the interviews, selecting the candidate, releasing the offer, enrolling the employees. That all will be provided in Oracle Recruiting Cloud module. Then help desk and safety is one of the internal ticketing tool. If clients started using this application, if they want to set up a support request kind of thing to their employees, like anything they want to communicate to the higher management or any thing that they want to get reported to the management team, you can raise the request in that. It's a kind of internal ticketing tool within the Fusion application team. So these are the modules we have in the Fusion application team. And coming to the technical front, security administration, we have one concept team. Like here we will see for every employee when we hiring them, in order to give access to the application team, the user account creation, the access related, what functionalities the employee can able to access in the system, that all we are going to talk in security administration. Then approvals, we have one concept team. What is this? See, in every company, several transactions will be going for approvals team. Let's say today, one of the employee applied the leave. It should go for concerned manager approval. That all approval configurations to whom it should trigger, that we will be configuring in this concept team. Then we have a concept called customizations and personalizations through sandbox. Means what? When Oracle deliver the product team, if the application looks like this, your client is telling, I want my company logo here, or I want to change the background theme from blue color to white color, or I want all these icons to be customizable. So any of these customizations or personalizations that you want to do in the system, then we have one area called sandbox. We can able to do from here team. Then we have inbound integrations, like two data migration tools Oracle giving for HCM team. That is, okay. We have HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader team. Like when we are in the implementation team, any data that we want to bulk upload into the Fusion system, then we have the data loaders available, HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader, like that. Then outbound integration team. Once we implement all these modules, clients started using the system. They want to extract any reports from the system team. Like today, how many employees hired? Or in the month of March, how many employees applied vacation leave? Some reports that client or the users want to extract in. 3 reporting tools Oracle given in the system: BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts, like that team. So these are the reporting tools available in the system. Then one common concept team, like in absence module, payroll module, compensation module, we have something called fast formula. So this will be used for implementing some sort of validations, some sort of calculational logic team. This will be used. I'm not deep diving into everything, just I'm giving you high level overview. What are the total concepts we have in this technology, right? These are the total concepts we have, team. These are functional concepts and these are technical concepts. Now coming to the most important point, that is coding requirement. To handle these all activities, anywhere I require any coding language or system languages or any coding skills I require, absolutely no. It's a zero requirement team. Only in this BIP reports area, only in this BIP reports area team, we require the SQL prerequisite team. Even extracts and OTBI, without that also we can manage. In this BIP reports area only, you will be requiring SQL knowledge. If you are not aware of this, fair enough, no problem team. You can skip this concept from your resume. Now I will talk about what are the modules that we are going to cover as part of this program and what sort of roles that you will be having in the market once you learn this technology. Coming to the course program team, already the brochures have been shared to all the participants. If anyone directly attending the demo, please reach out to the admin team or fill the sheet that which you are receiving in the chat board. The curriculum will be shared with you team. So let me explain you. As part of this program, we designed this as a techno-functional program team. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, techno-functional. Both functional and technical will be covered as part of this program. Coming to the modules, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation. These modules will be covered as part of this program team. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation. These 5 modules will be covered as part of the functional side team. Coming to the technical side, security, workflows, sandbox, inbound integration, outbound integration, fast formula. These all will be covered as part of our program. Functional side, 5 of the modules. Why? Because team, this is very clear point. No one in the market who is working on this technology will have the ample knowledge on all the modules. None of the resource will have. I can definitely tell you on that part. At least 3 modules you be prepared whenever you're dropping the resume and whenever you are searching for the jobs. Sufficient team. Functional modules, maximum 3 to 4 modules you concentrate. If time permits, you have a bandwidth, then learn additionally some other modules also. At least 3, core HR, absence, payroll, sufficient team. So as part of our program, these 5 modules will be covered from functional side and these all technical components will be covered as part of the program team. Now coming to roles. What sort of roles that you will have when you are applying for the job? Market is very clear thing. Okay. And one more concern that people have. Kumar, tell me out of your experience, whether I should go with pure functional or I should go with pure technical or techno-functional. Which one will be better in the market? First of all, market is very clear thing. Companies recruiting purely functional consultants also, and pure technical consultants also, and the most diamond, that is techno-functional profiles, techno-functional consultants. Okay, so once you learn this technology team, these type of roles are available in the market. See, the designations might be differed from company to company. In Accenture, they might call it as associate consultant. In Deloitte, they might call it as functional consultant. In Capgemini, they might call it as HCM associate. The naming conventions might be differed from company to company, but typically these are the roles that you will be landing upon once you complete this training program team. If you want to learn only functional, then learn whatever the modules that we are covering, 3 to 4 modules, and drop as a functional consultant team. If you want to go with only technical, then learn the technical concepts and you can drop as a technical consultant. But I will tell you, to go with techno-functional consultant. Why? Because team, from the costing point of view also, companies now preferably looking at techno-functional consultant. See, I got a project team. Rather than taking two people and paying salaries to both of them, if I take one person who is having knowledge on both, obviously that is a cost cutting to me, right, as a company. So that is why companies looking now mostly for techno-functional consultant. So I suggest my students also to learn the technology from both the perspectives. If you are working in the project, you should not depend on someone. You should be able to take care of all the activities that part of the implementation team. So preferably concentrate on this techno-functional consultant. After this, functional consultants will have huge scope after techno-functional. Only technical if you learn team, slight lag you might experience, even in the calls when you drop the resume, all that activity, I mean, during that time team. Because in a project, if you take team, let's suppose now you learn the program, you got selected in some IT company in TechM or in Infosys or Wipro, somewhere you joined. Your company got the project and you people have to be deployed for that. In any project team, if you take 10 resources are there, let's assume 10 resources means 10 employees being deployed for the project. Out of that 10, 7 or 6 to 7 resources will be functional consultants only team. Technical consultants will be only, okay, only 2 to 3 technical consultants will be there. That's all. See the weightage between functional and technical team. In any project you take, functional consultants will be on a higher number. Technical consultants will be on a lower number. In the market also same. If you learn only technical, that doesn't serve your purpose. Along with technical, some other past applications like OIC, that all you are learning means that's a different story. That's a different job role all the way around. But in Fusion, if you learn only technical team, there will be less kind of positions available team. So in a project of 10 resources, the bifurcation will be like this. Functional consultants will be 6 to 7, technical will be 2 to 3. If you are a techno-functional, then you will be considered in both. You will be the cream person in that project team, right? That is what the demand for techno-functional is very high. So these are the types of roles that we have in the market currently, team. Okay. So coming to the program, as I told you, these are the curriculum that we are going to cover as part of this program, right, team? Now, again, one of the common question that people used to have, what about the market, Kumar? Okay. How many years that I can able to survive in this technology once I learn this course? Is it a right choice for me to learn or not? And moreover, currently everywhere we are hearing recession is going on, or from last couple of months, the word here and there we are listening, recession, laying offs. Do we have any impact in these technologies? Right. Some of the common myths that people used to have. Let me explain on that, team. So if you ever said yourself, team, that how to get a job in the software industry without a coding knowledge, or you don't have any prior experiences, you have a long career gap, or you don't know how to write a best CV to get the good interview calls, and you are confused with how to prepare for the interviews and which technology is right choice for you, then absolutely fine, team. We will be there to assist you. This technology is one of the advanced cloud-based ERP applications in the market with a very high demand. As I told you, Oracle is having a huge customer base across the globe. The reason behind that is, team, prior to Fusion, e-business suite is there, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, right? What Oracle did, Oracle acquired all these companies. Means what? All the customers who using these applications also now became Oracle customers, right? Right? So Oracle insisting all of them from their existing applications to move to Oracle Fusion. This will be the only future. Oracle already stopped selling their old products, team. EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards only support Oracle giving. They are not selling any new products in the market. All the existing customers, Oracle insisting to move to Oracle Fusion Cloud. That is the reason in the market year by year, if you see rapid implementations going on. Many customers opting Oracle Fusion HCM as their in-house HR operational tool. So the market is very good for this technology. As many customers buying the product, to implement that product, many consultants are required in the market team. So the resource crunch is there. We don't have that many resources who are working on these technologies. Okay. That is a point where the packages are also being offered very heavily. There is no market standards or HR standards. If you are moving from one company to another company, maximum 12% hike or maximum 13% hike from your current CTC. Not like that. There were situations where we have seen 100%, 150% or 200% hikes. Means what? If a person working with 6 lakhs package straight away got placed with 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs packages team. If you are ready, these all numbers you can achieve only if you are ready with the technology. So if you are knowledgeable, if you are skillful, and if you could prove that in the interview, definitely you can able to get placed in a very good MNCs. Moreover, these projects will be done in all the IT companies team. It's not about only the big MNCs will do projects in this. Startups, mid-level to MNCs. In every IT company's team, Oracle Fusion HCM cloud projects will be done. So when you are applying for the job also, you might be getting the calls from different companies of different sizes. It's not that only in some of the companies only these projects will be done. So not at all like that. Everywhere you have the opportunities team. So if you are not from an IT background and don't know whether you are able to do it or not, or I'm too old, will this be helpful to me if I use some experience and if I have to try? Or what will be the future of this HCM cloud? Do freshers have a call? Absolutely, all these things will be taken care team. If you are from any background, as I'm telling again and again, you might be a fresher or you might be a non-IT person with other background or with a huge career gap. Anyone can able to learn this and they can able to start their career team. Particularly freshers. Many freshers used to ask me, Kumar, do we have calls in the market for this? Absolutely yes, team. Companies do recruiting the freshers as well. A fresher with an average salary of 4.5 to 6 lakhs CTCs are being offered in this. The very recent, if you want a testimonial team, couple of our freshers being recruited in couple of companies, in Drives team, in Clover Infotech, in Apps Associate. Okay, you can see the slides over here. Some of the placements that which are, students gone through recently team. Okay, you can go through the slides here, right? These are all freshers and even experienced also there. If anyone from a US market joining the class today, see, we have one participant team who got placed with a package of 123K. That is not a normal figures, right? So there is one participant who got a package in Deloitte with 123K pay. That is with an experience of 6 years, that too, not 10 years or something team. So what I'm trying to tell is the market is very good, no recession impact team, because these are the ERP applications. In order to run the organizations, these are the basic applications to use. So whatever the recession come, these ERP applications usability in the companies, they cannot stop. If they stop, company won't run. We are learning that sort of technologies team. It's not something like data science, data analyst. They are all are what within the business to improvise their statistical data wise, they will be using that. They might stop that recruitments, they might hold that projects, but ERP projects will never stop. If these are stopped team, companies won't be operating in the market. That is the reason we never experience any recession, not now or even in 2011, 2012, when we faced also, recession was not at all an impact in this technology. And moreover, long lasting career you can able to have in this technology. Why, Kumar? ERP applications, anything if you learn, it will have a very long shelf life. Means what? For next 15-20 years in the market, the technology is going to be there. It's not something like every 2 years, 3 years, you have to learn something new technology and you have to move to another technology. No. The examples we are seeing, EBS you take, PeopleSoft you take, SAP you take, these are the products operating from last 25-30 years team. Somewhere in 1985, somewhere they were launched. But till now, people who are on that technology is working on the same areas team. Same goes with Oracle Fusion applications also. If you are learning now and you are getting into the job, you will have very long shelf life team. Don't worry about the job security and you don't need to worry about skipping the technologies on a timely way. No, you will be moving your career within this technology only. The career graph will be probably you will be starting as an associate now. You will be promoted to consultant, then associate consultant, senior consultant, principal consultant. Then till the director level, your career progression will be their team. In every company, people who holding the director level positions will be coming from the background of these ERP applications only. So career progression wise also, if you see over the next 10 to 15 years, you will be having a high chances to go to higher level positions in the IT companies as well team. So the career graph will be like that. And an experienced professional with 3 to 4 years of Oracle HCM cloud drawing somewhere between 15 to 30 LPA team. That is the packages we have in this technology. Whether you want to fall into this range or not, it's purely depending upon the technical skills that what you are going to acquire. From the point of training, we are going to help you out in all that team. Once you complete this program, in the real time, a person, if he works for 3 to 4 years in 4 or 5 projects, to what level of expertise that person will have in the technology, within this 3 months of training program, we are going to take you to that extent. Definitely. Why? Because team, it's not just a theory classes we are going to take. It's a theory along with practical team. Every module that I'm going to implement and I'm going to demonstrate to you, every field, every functionality in the system will be taught to you. And every module, we are going to give you the standard customized materials team. On top of Oracle materials, we prepared our own custom manual books with screenshots and navigations team. You don't need to even go through the recordings also again. You can go through these manuals and materials and you can able to practice team. For every module, you will be getting these manuals, and also we are going to give you the assignments of real-time projects team, and the application access anyhow will be given to you. You can able to configure that. So it's ultimately a win-win situation kind of thing. You will be also getting the hands-on learning or the real-time project experience as part of this program team. Okay. Now coming to the course offerings team. So here you can see some of the recent placements that our students got their selections team. Even you can follow our YouTube or the Instagram page. You can find some of the recent success stories of our students. And recently the students that placed in these companies team, Deloitte, Accenture, Evosys, that is Mastech, then EY, PwC, and Apps Associate. And even if any one of you following our statuses, you can find team. The requirements will be publishing every time in our statuses or in the groups. So coming to the course features, starting from tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes team. So whoever interested to enroll, I request please submit your details team, or you can reach out to us on the number that you are seeing on the slide, 8179563510. This will be a 3 months end-to-end implementation training, and timings will be every day, Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m. As I told you, today is a demo. We extended like a hour extra, but starting from tomorrow, timings will be fixed team, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, you can use it for practice purpose. Whatever the assignments we are giving, you can able to practice that over the weekends team. Or even in the weekdays also you can practice. Then as part of this training, it's going to be a live training every day. I will be taking the sessions. Along with the live training, you will be getting access to the video recordings team. Like some of you might be working professionals. You might be skipping the classes. Every day you might not be able to attend. Every day session, if 7 to 8 is the class, by 9 o'clock session will be uploaded in the portal. It's not something like we are going to share the links. You have to copy paste some, nothing like that. If you go to our website, triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, you will be having the login option team. Once you enroll today, we will be giving this portal access to you. You can go to the live classes login and then you can give your credentials here. Okay. Any user that whatever the user account been given to you, you can log in with your user. And here in the enrolled courses team, your course will be added. Okay. You can go to the course and then all the sessions topic wise will be uploaded team. You can go to the class and you can able to watch the session here. It's a password protected, will be shared to you all these credentials after the enrollment today. Okay. So this will be given to you for lifetime access team. This will be given to you for lifetime. No specific period, 6 months, 1 year, nothing. You will be getting this for lifetime. Even after you getting into the projects, you got a requirement to know some other module. At that time also it will be helpful to you. You can able to refer our videos, right? Then team, you will be provided with the instance for 5 months. What is that instance means? Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application team will be given to you for practice. Usually, everywhere you will be getting the public cloud environments team. Public instances are demo instances. Every 2 days, every 3 days, the application will get refreshed team. Whatever the configurations you will be doing, they will be lapsed there. Again, you have to redo. But we have our own private cloud. We are going to give that access for 5 months team. Okay. You can able to practice end-to-end or full life cycle of the project implementation you can able to do in that instance. Along with that, public cloud also will be given, but private is something very important or a unique feature that what you will get from Triotech. 5 months of instance access will be given for practicing team. And for every module, step-by-step manual instruction guide. Then here, if you see the placement assistance team, it will start with one-to-one doubts assistance. First of all, we have a dedicated WhatsApp support team every day between 10 to 6 p.m. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can reach out to us directly. Or if any one of you from Hyderabad, you can directly come to the office. I will be also available. You can have a direct interaction with me regarding the doubts or concerns. Or if you want to come down to the institute and if you want to practice, you can come and you can able to practice from the office also. So one-to-one doubt assistance will be there. Real-time project assignments will be given. And our team will be helping you out in the resume preparation team. It might be freshers or experienced. Some might be trying to manipulate their experiences in that what sort of projects to keep, what sort of roles and responsibilities to keep. That all we will be taking care of team. We are going to handhold you in all these activities, resume preparations, and for every module, interview question and answers team. Like this, you will be getting question and answers templates also team for all modules. See, all these are interview question and answers. So you can able to practice for the interviews by using that materials team, interview question and answers. And every Saturday, morning 10 a.m. to afternoon 1 p.m., we will be having the mock interviews team, both online and offline. Whoever are interested, you can register to us. We will also take the mock interviews team. It's not only me, my colleagues or my friends who is working on this technologies team, they will be coming as a visiting faculty and they will be taking up the mocks during the Saturdays team. So this will give you an ample understanding about how the interviews will happen before you attending for actual interviews team. Mock interviews also will be taken up team. And we also have the referrals for full-time and freelancing. Every time we will be getting the requirements from the HR's team from different companies. Like we have the requirement for HCM 3-year experience requirement or freshers requirement like that. So we will also share the profiles to the companies after the mocks team. And parallelly, whatever the resumes that are prepared, we should also drop that in all the job portals. We are going to conduct certain workshop sessions on the real-time implementations, support projects that what you will do, and also how to prepare the resume, how to upload the resume to different job portals. These all basics as part of placement assistance. The workshops will be conducted to your team. So these all are the course offerings and the placement assistance you will be getting. So starting from tomorrow, the batch is going to start. You will be getting the meeting link after the enrollment today, a new meeting link team. So I request everyone, please confirm the enrollments today so that we can able to share the course dashboard access, I mean the e-learning portal access to you. And also you will be added to the new WhatsApp group. So going forward, any communication from Triotech will be done through that WhatsApp group team. You will be added to that WhatsApp community after the enrollment. And all these materials folder, sample interview questions, here we have team, a drive folder, module wise all materials, sample resumes, real-time documents, interview questions, all these folders with a drive link will be also shared to you after the enrollment team. Okay. So these are the things that what we planned out team. So as I am telling you, whenever the workshops being conducted team, why? Because we all know the subject. Over the span of 3 months, we will learn the subject. But particularly when we are dropping the resume by showcasing some relevant experience. Hope you understood team what I'm telling. Some people will be in a plan to change their existing experience and they want to showcase that they're already working on HCM from last 2 years, 3 years like that. Particularly for them to crack the interviews team. These workshop sessions are very important because subject we know. But if you get a question, can you talk about what are your daily activities in the company or what you will be working on every day or in which phase of the project that you are in? If these type of real-time questions comes to those, how they can able to answer? So we are going to take up the workshop on implementation project. Let's say once you deployed into the project, what are the different phases from project management plan, kickoff study, as is study, CRP1, CRP2 till go live? What are the different phases we have in the project? What documents we will prepare and we will hand over to the client? These all additional information also will be shared to your team. And if it is a support project, what ticketing tools in the market companies will use, how the end users will raise the ticket, how we have to reply. These all additional knowledge as part of the placement activities will be given to you as part of workshop team. So these are the things planned out. So in tomorrow's session, I'm going to continuing the Oracle knowledge repository team that which we left out in today. That is Oracle knowledge repository and Oracle certification process also I will talk in tomorrow's session team. And coming to the course offered price team, the actual price of the course will be 24,999, but the enrolling, what do you say, applicable only for today. Like whoever enrolling today team, we are having an early bird offer that is at 22,999. You will be getting the course. Along with that, you will be getting an additional server access team. 2 months additional server access will be given to you. Actually, I told 5 months, right? 5 months. But additionally, 2 more months you will get at a free cost team. So this is one of the add-on benefit that you will get along with the offer price. Only for today, the enrollment fee of 22,999 will be there. So whoever enrolling post today, you will be having the regular price team. There won't be any further discount. And this instance access of additionally giving 2 months also will not be provided. So this is the early bird offer which been given only for the participant enrolling today. So from tomorrow, whoever enrolled, we will be sharing the meeting link to you so that you can able to start your program from tomorrow team. So now let me take up the questions. Okay. So I'm unmuting team one by one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, please.
Hi, I'm Amreen. I have
I
few
am.
questions. Yeah.
Yes.
You have mentioned BI reports, and BI
Mhm.
reports need some SQL coding. So will
Correct.
you teach that in this course?
SQL will not be taught to you because it's a separate language. We cannot include in these 3 months of program. But any documentation related to that materials, if you want, we can able to help you. And as I told, if you are not aware of this SQL part, even if you're dropping your resume as a techno-functional consultant, avoid this concept. No need to include that in the resume. A part of that, these concepts, if you include, they're also sufficient. You can be called as technical consultant, techno-functional.
Yeah. Other question is actually a recruiter. I have seen many job description. They'll be mentioning BTP reports. Are these
Hmm.
BI reports and BTP reports same?
Same. BI
Oh,
publisher, our business transactional reports, BT means.
okay. And third question is here you mentioned payroll management. So is it Indian payroll or UK or US
It's
payroll?
not specific to one country because we don't know once you deploy into the project which client you might be working on. You might be working for a US client, you might be working for UK. Here we are going to cover from the global perspective for all countries how the things will be differentiated. I will take some examples from US, some from UK, some from India, some from Middle East. Like that we will be covering.
So it is like global payroll, right?
Global payroll, yes.
Okay, and ORC you have mentioned that is not a part of this course, but if we want to learn, is it a different course?
It's a different course, but in this program, we are not including that because the program, what we are offering now with the bandwidth, we can able to cover only these aspects. ORC alone will take 20-25 hours of time. We cannot include that.
Okay, okay, fine. And finally, actually, I'm working as a recruiter. I have 2 years of experience. So, if I get the job, in what roles I'll be placed?
See, roles like as I told you, these are the typically high level roles, but usually company to company, the naming conventions might be different. You might be, as a 2 years experience, if you are dropping, you might be hired as associate consultants or in the consultant role like that level.
Uh,
I mean to say.
yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you. So, any other questions to anyone team?
Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, myself, I'm Karthik. Currently I'm working as a HR with 7 years of work experience into manufacturing sector.
Okay.